From concept to completion, witness the bulk production of our high-performance solar home light kits, designed for rural electrification, emergency backup, and eco-friendly living. Our kits bring light to every corner without relying on the grid. As a leading ODM OEM manufacturer, we offer end-to-end solutions for bulk orders, dealership opportunities, and custom branding. Partner with us to illuminate more homes with power of the sun. For more information, contact the number given below on the screen.